House Speaker Lord Allan Velasco appeared to have thrown some serious shade at Taguig-Pateros Representative Allan Peter Cayetano. Velasco renamed his Facebook page on the day Cayetano turned 50. He renamed it House Speaker Lord Allan J. Velasco. Cayetano had admitted wanting to stay beyond the agreed October 14 term sharing date so he would mark his birthday as a top leader of the House.
When we made the 1521, at sabi ko, nandyan si Senator Bongo. Very, very clear yung usapan. I have 2 budgets na ipapasa and magba-birthday ako na ako speaker.
2 weeks before his birthday, Cayetano was ousted as speaker.
Sabi niya birthday ko rin eh. Sabi ko, pare, 50th birthday ko, sentimental lang sa akin. Sabi niya, babaw mo naman. Sabi ko, mababaw talaga ako.
Velasco, on the other hand, gets his birthday wish. The Marinduque lawmaker turns 43 on November 9 as Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.